Hello, happy birthday last night. I'm just watched this one because the video last night it's not allowed si Tita, the mother of Sir, because of what she's wearing. Okay, they just must to be what's that, basta not allowed. Okay, so thank you again. And this one is the birthday, that one, last night. Ayan si Jido, beside ni Jido si Tita, din si Sarah. I can't watch that na para hindi naka-off light kasi yan, kaya ganun ang Okay, so thank you again for watching. And look outside, the weather is so good. It's not what's that, it's not dust, it's just normal, but it's very hot. Okay, so I see. And that one is the flower that Teresa gave last night for the birthday, or just gathering, family gathering of the family of Sir Osama, because it's his birthday. Okay, so that one, and that one is Grace. Hello Grace, how are you? Okay, mine just finished work, and the laundry is not yet finished. And now happy Saturday to all of us. More blessings at all. And once again, thank you very much to all subscriber, to all not subscriber, to all viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, to all different kind of individual bloggers that they have also their individual channel, belong to another social medias, and the founder of the YouTube, the staff, the workers. Thank you for giving a time to support, to make your job in a good and in a proper what's that, mga what do you call that one, a team in the YouTube team. Okay, so thank you, and thank you again, and thank you that some people in the different countries that they are watching only in the social media to support. Thank you very much talaga that you have open-minded, without comments, without nothing, they just support, and because of they have a good heart, especially in their mind, that they are very open-minded. Okay, thank you very much, and to all Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries and to the different people, happy Fiesta. To the different countries that they are Christian, because all Christian people in this world, in the different countries, they are celebrating the Fiesta. Okay, especially in my home birth, happy Fiesta, and some barangays in my home town, sa Siargao, sa Surigao del Norte, Surigao City, Surigao del Sur, all that one, Mindanao, part of Mindanao, Luzon, and Visayas na, and Dinagat Island. Kumusta ka mo mga kaparentihan sa both side ni nanay ug ni tatay, na halos sila social media, belong in the social media na rin also. Kaya yan din ako nakikipagsabayan na lang sa social media. Okay, so thank you very much, and whatever you are, whatever you do, God provide everything to all birthday celebrant. Thanks God for giving another year, and good health and good luck for everything that what we have. Okay, so thank you, and bye-bye. God bless us all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you. God bless us all and bye. Teng 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 teng. I just to say thank you talaga. Thank you and bye bye. God bless us all.